We're sitting here with April, and we were just discussing some of the, I would say, really incredible changes that she's seen since we've done the stem cells in her knee. So, April, if you could just comment a little bit about what you've experienced at this point.
I had the stem cells done about 6 weeks ago, and so far my pain is significantly decreased. I can sleep with my knees together. I can sleep on my stomach with no pain in my knees. I can go up and down steps. I haven't been taking Motrin or opioids in 6 weeks. The pain relief is just incredible.
And you use a statement with me that it's really been life-altering. Would you agree that that's really what you're seeing?
Oh yes, very life-altering. I can sit in the car before 30 minutes to an hour and I was just in awful pain. We did a trip. I was in the car 9 hours, no pain whatsoever. It's wonderful.
Fantastic. Well, I appreciate it. There's a lot of people suffering, so thank you for doing this.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
We're sitting here with Melinda, and we did stem cell therapy with Melinda for plantar fasciitis, and she's had a really great experience, and we were just discussing what's happened over the last couple months. So, Melinda, if you could just kind of comment on a couple things you were just sharing with me.
Yes, well, when I came for this therapy, I was experiencing a great deal of pain. It was in my left foot, and after the therapy, very, very quickly I noticed an improvement in my foot. I can walk again. Most of the time I don't even notice any pain, and if I do, it's because I've really, really stressed it out, but it's gone away. So
that's fantastic. So you'd recommend this to others?
I absolutely would.
All right, well, thank you. I appreciate it.